Hey, what's up? It's your boy Kurt the Jerk saying what up. I hope everybody's doing great. I hope everybody is doing just fine. It's tax season coming up. You know what that means. Money, tax season. All the information I'm about to disclose today, I just want to say that I am not a CPA, so always consult with a CPA or certified public accountant that can walk you through the steps on doing your taxes if you don't know how to do your taxes. I am a tax professional, but I'm not a CPA. I'm not a public accountant. So any information I say, please always follow up with it. Look on the IRS website. All I'm going to say is I want everybody to look at publication 15. Publications 15 is important. I think it's important because it basically shows a lot of new updates, new information, such as I'm going into it. Such as you got your Social Security, medical, Medicare for taxes 2023, qualify small business payroll tax credit for increased research activities. There's a multitude of stuff that I really don't want to go into all of it. I suggest you just go to publication 15, which is on IRS Publications website. You know, this is not a third party. This is the actual federal government website where you can go look and research the information for yourself. There's a lot of different information, such as certain deductions that's available that may not was available last year. You can look and you'll be able to find some stuff. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. I just want you guys to be familiar with a lot of things, like mileage. Like for a business, there's so many different deductions, such as your mileage, your lunch. You could write off your vehicle depending on if it's like for example, if your vehicle is like 6,000 pounds or better, you know, such as like a box truck or something like that. Because you have a business and stuff like that, those can be written off and stuff like that, as long as it's used 100% for business. Even your automobile, if you use your automobile to for business, you can write off a percentage of it. It got to be more than at least 50%. You know, over 50% got at least be 60% better. Like around, you know, over 50% of the time you have to use it for business, because if you don't, then they don't qualify. But if you do qualify for that, whatever the value of the vehicle that you pay for, you just minus 50% of it, and that could be a determination of how much tax credit you get. You can know within a 5-year period. You know, a little amount this year, the next year, and you could do it like that. With the trucks, I believe the truck's 6,000 pounds. Don't quote me, I could be wrong. Like I said, you got to do your research. I believe with like trucks over 6,000 pounds gross, I think you could be able to write the whole entire thing off on your taxes in the first year. So like, let's say if you bought a vehicle like in, you know, February or March, and then this year is, you know, the year is up and next year comes and now it's time to do your taxes for the previous year, you could be able to write that vehicle off. So that's just to give you a food for thought. There's so much stuff. There's a multitude of things. Like for example, you can make, you know, if you got an LLC or S corp, or, you know, S corporation, small business corporation, you could make your kids employees. You know what I'm saying? You can pay them. You know, give them like, what is it, like $12,000 each, you know, for their services and business that they provide for you, and it's 100% as a tax write-off for you. So it's a lot of stuff you can do. But back to on personal taxes, you know, your cell phone and all that. If you use your cell phone for your job and stuff like that, you can write off a percentage of it, as long as you use it more than you use it for your personal use. Always remember that. That's a rule of thumb, because it won't be business if you don't use it more for business than your personal use. Your cleaning bill, like you can write your cleaning bill off. You know, like if you take your clothes to the dry cleaning, like you're a blue collar worker or whatever job you work at, you have uniforms, you can take it to the cleaners, get it done. It is so much stuff you can do. Like if you go to church, you give donations to church, you already know that's write-offs. But even the mileage, see, this is a lot of people don't understand. Even the mileage that it takes for you to go back and forth to your church, that's a write-off as well. There's so much stuff out there, guys. I just want you guys to do your research. Please look at publication 15, which is on the IRS website, where you can get more information as it pertains to tax deductions. Because every year, IRS always report that a lot of people's under underperforming when it comes to doing their taxes, and they actually leaving out a lot of deductions that they qualify for. So the tax IRS always saying that they have extra money every year. So this year, you got to make sure you do your part and maximize your tax benefit legally, not illegally. But I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted to make this video short, and everybody have a wonderful and happy holidays to you.